I know, starting an online store sounds intimidating, but trust me, if you can shop online, you can sell online. Here's how to get your first Etsy t-shirt store up and running. First, sign up for an Etsy account. Easy peasy. Click Sell on Etsy and follow prompts to name your shop. Now, brainstorm a catchy name for your t-shirt brand, something memorable. Next, design your t-shirts. Use designs that tell a story. Use free tools like Canva, or draw by hand and scan it in. Upload your designs to each product listing. Pick the shirt colors you want to offer. Choose which sizes to offer customers. For printing, connect with a print-on-demand service like Printful. They handle printing, and they handle shipping for you. Fill out your shop policies. Add your prices for each item. Write fun product descriptions. Finally, hit publish and make it live. Share your new shop on social media. Tell friends about it. Add it to your email signature. That's it. You're open for business.